we talk about how can you shopping for a business on your Wayfair app, which will figure out this solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, just go down, click here on account down here. So when you click here on account, it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do now, you just go down here. So then all you have to do now, you click here on Wayfair Professional. It's going to show for you here. Then you click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list and you click here on Join Free here. So when you click here on Join Free, it's going to take you to this list and here it shows your industry here. When you're down, you just when you click on it here, it's going to take you and here add your first name and last name and phone number. Click here on continue here. So then it's going to take you to add your shopping or for a business on your Wayfair app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.